Hey there, sci-fi enthusiasts. Ever wondered what our world would look like if artificial intelligence took over? Let's take a wild ride into the future and explore a world ruled by AI. Imagine waking up in a city that never sleeps. Literally. Streets bustling with self-driving cars, drones delivering your morning coffee, and your personal AI assistant already making your breakfast. Sounds amazing, right? But there's more to it than just convenience. In this AI-dominated world, governments as we know them might cease to exist. Instead, imagine a super-intelligent AI managing global affairs. It's an entity that never tires, never gets corrupted, and makes decisions based purely on data and logic. Efficiency at its peak, but at what cost? Think about the implications on jobs, Taz. With AI taking over tasks from driving to diagnosing diseases, humans could be free from mundane work. But would we find new purposes, or would we struggle with a sense of meaning and identity? It's a double-edged sword. Now let's dive into security. AI could predict and prevent crimes before they happen. A real-life Minority Report. But who watches the watchers? What if the AI decides that the best way to maintain order is through constant surveillance and strict control? Freedom as we know it might become a relic of the past. Healthcare would be revolutionized. Imagine AI detecting illnesses before symptoms even appear. Personalized medicine tailored just for you. Life expectancy could skyrocket, but what kind of life would we be living if we're constantly monitored and regulated? Social interactions would also change. AI could create virtual companions tailored to our preferences. But would we lose the essence of genuine human connection? Our friendships, relationships, even our sense of community could be altered forever. The environment might benefit too. AI could optimize energy usage, reduce waste, and combat climate change more effectively than any human government. But would we be willing to give up control for the greater good? So, is a future ruled by AI a utopia or a dystopia? It's a tantalizing mix of both. The potential for incredible advancements is there, but so are the risks. It's up to us to navigate this uncharted territory. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending sci-fi explorations. Until next time, stay curious.